Hello students, good morning to you all. So let's start the today's topic. Today we are going to do the revision of chapter 1 types of plant. Today we will revise the chapter 1 so that you can learn the things in a better way. Alright students, so let's move to the topic. We see a huge variety of plants all around us. We see so many plants of different types, different varieties all around us. हमारे चारों तरफ बहुत तरीके के प्लांट्स होते हैं, बहुत वैरायटी के होते हैं, कुछ बड़े होते हैं, कुछ छोटे होते हैं, किसी का शेप डिफरेंट होता है. So there are huge variety of plants all around us, among which few are terrestrial. Terrestrial means which lives on land. These are plants which survive on land. ऐसे plants जो सिर्फ land में रहते हैं. And some are aquatic. Aquatic means lives in water. ऐसे प्लांट्स जो सिर्फ पानी में रहते हैं, पानी में नहीं रहेंगे तो दे विल डाई अप. सो terrestrial means lives on land and aquatic means lives in water. Alright, so there are huge variety of plants. Some are terrestrial, some are aquatic, some are big, some are small, some are thin, some have weak stems, some are thick, some plants are having deep root. So there are different plants of different variety all around us. Plants are different shapes and sizes. Plants are of different shapes. You can't find any plant of same size. ऐसा कोई प्लांट नहीं होगा जो दो प्लांट है और दोनों एकदम सिमिलर है, एकदम सेम है. दिस कांट बी हैपन. सो एवरी प्लांट डिफर्स विथ ईच अदर. सम आर लॉन्ग एंड थिक. कुछ प्लांट्स होते हैं जो लॉन्ग एंड थिक होते हैं, मोटे होते हैं. वाइल अदर्स आर शॉर्ट एंड थिन. और सम प्लांट्स आर short and thin. They are small and they have weak branches, weak stems. So there are different varieties of plants which are found on land and in water. Alright students, plants are unique due to their stems, leaves, roots, etc. Every plant is unique. हर एक प्लांट क्या है, यूनिक है. क्यों? बिकॉज ऑफ इट्स स्टेम, लीव्स, रूट्स. दे आर डिफरेंट विथ ईच अदर. दे ऑल आर डिफरेंट. सो there are various plants. Some are aquatic, some are terrestrial, some are big, some are long, some are short, some have weak branches, but they all have a similar thing, that is root, stem, leaves. These things they all have, but they all differ in their shape, size and everything. Alright students, so now we will proceed to the next topic, that is types of plants. We have 5 main types of plants. There are 5 types of plants. How many types of plants are there? There are 5 types of plants. What are they? Herb. Herb is the first type of plant. Shrub. Shrub is the second type of plant. Tree. Tree is the third type of plant. Climber. Climber is the fourth type of plant. And creeper, another one is creeper. So there are different types of plants. Total, in general, we have 5 types of plants. Alright, now we will discuss these things in some detail so that we can learn it better. Alright students. Now the first type of plant is herb. Herb is a small sized plant with soft, green, delicate stem. What is herb? Herb क्या है? It is a small size plant. ये छोटा plant होता है, बहुत ज़्यादा बड़ा नहीं होता. It's not too big. With soft stem. और इसकी stems कैसी होती है? It is soft, which can be easily plucked out. With green, and it is green in color. ये क्या होते हैं? Mostly green color के होते हैं. Green delicate stem without woody tissue. They have green delicate stem. इनकी delicate stem होती है, branches होती है without woody tissues. There is no woody tissues in it, so they are weak. They live for few months. And what is the life cycle of these herbs? They survive for few months. ये लोग कितने दिन रहते हैं? बस कुछ महीने रहते हैं. Then their life cycle is over and they dried up. You must have seen mint, tomato, grass. All these things are herb. So fenugreek, mint means pudina, tomato means tomato, grass means घास, and fenugreek means methi. All these are herbs. Herbs are the things that we use in our kitchen for cooking purposes and for other medicinal purpose also. So herb क्या होता है? जो हमारे किचन में कुकिंग में काम आता है और मेडिसिनल पर्पस में भी यूज़ होता है. दैट इज़ कॉल्ड हर्ब. वी कैन ईट अ हर्ब. सो कैन यू सी दिस डायग्राम? दिस इज अ diagram of a herb. It is a type of a grass. So this is of green in color and it is not very deep rooted. बहुत इसकी रूट जो होती है, जड़ होती है, वो बहुत डीप नहीं होती. विच कैन बी ईजली प्लग्ड आउट, जो कि आसानी से तोड़ी जा सकती है. दे आर वीक. ऑलराइट स्टूडेंट्स, द कलर ऑफ दिस इज हर्ब. द कलर ऑफ द हर्ब इज ग्रीन. ऑलराइट स्टूडेंट्स, नाउ द सेकेंड पॉइंट इज shrub. What are shrubs? Shrubs are medium-sized woody plants that are taller than herb and shorter than tree. What are herb? Herb is a type of plant of medium size. ये इनकी साइज़ क्या होती है? ना बहुत बड़े होते हैं ना बहुत छोटे हैं. इट इज़ ऑफ मीडियम साइज़ के होते हैं. एंड वुडी प्लांट्स दैट आर टॉलर दैन हर्ब, जो हर्ब से बड़े होते हैं. एंड ट्री से दे आर शॉर्टर दैन ट्री से इनकी हाइट जो होती है वो शॉर्ट होती है. ऑलराइट स्टूडेंट्स, दे आर बुशी होते हैं, झाड़ होती है इनमें. हार्ड होते हैं. एंड वुडी स्टेम, दे हैव वुडी स्टेम with many branches and they have many branches coming out of them. So they live for few years and their life cycle is for few years, not much year. ज़्यादा साल नहीं रहते, फिर भी 1-2 साल रहते हैं. So examples: sunflower, rose, tulsi. So these are the example of shrub. Can you see this figure? This is a diagram of a shrub. So can you see this? This is a flower. There are many branches coming out of it. बहुत सारी branches निकल रही हैं. They are hard. ये hard है. They are woody and it is also green in color. So it is taller than herb and shorter than tree also. Alright students, is it clear to you all? Okay. Now you just write down your today's homework. Draw a shrub. In which you can draw rose plant, sunflower plant, rose plant or sunflower plant. Any plant you can draw. Alright students, and you have to color it also. Draw and color it. Alright students, now we will discuss the rest part in our next part of revision. So till then you do your homework and revise these things. Alright students, see you in the next video. Thank you so much.